and then he said cut until cut. This is a text. Totally, finally, it's all about physical work. Physical is labor.
Do a very Japanese style thing.
I can't do it.
You want to shoot some Japanese things here? Yeah, you can.
No, we can quite famous that you don't really have.
Apa kau cakap ni? Aku tak faham.
Okay guys, so this is the depot.
They want to give them some hint.
It's a fruit. Who told you? But it's a pancake. They call this.
You want this to be like I can talk about the way moral that
I was shooting indoor sound recording studio where the magic actually happens beneath the Yeah, just give me a minute. Okay, you know what? That's only about this. What's your job? Carrying trash.
Is that video?
Yes.
Oh my god!
Okay.
I think we can portray that with if we make the character like snake. I smell monster. And if you go to that, then you start everything, then you start everything. So it's basically saying very cool.
Yeah, and then there's a woman at school. I don't want to shoot you, man.
Why make it sound like that?
Because I mean, this is strong enough.
It's not gonna be strong enough.
No, by the time you go to pop.
It's real.
It's Mate. So Mate is going to play a character that is non-verbal. He's quiet, he's an introvert, lonely. He's non-verbal. He's non-verbal. He doesn't want to talk. That is terrifying. Yeah, but it's going to be less terrifying once you shoot it. It's taped to this one head. He will tear off pieces of tape.
Oh, it's time to go, but they don't understand each other, so they use sign language in order to communicate that. And once they get out, they walk out through the corridor, and they realize that no matter how far they walk, everything stays the same.
The chase scene you can add, like, if it's two characters running a chase scene, right? And there's another character looking at what you guys are doing.
So, and in fact, if you want to film two people sit opposite to each other, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. Especially you want to create the tension, you want to create the explain the situation. Because you only use the credit there, then it takes something like that. It's not. Yeah, when you film something darker, it's very dark. You have to add the light.
I guess industry standard like.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Can I have everyone's attention and please do settle down?
Yeah, just settle down.
Okay, come. I mean something, sorry.
Don't pull. Canon 24 to 50. Usually it's for wide lens, for wide to mid range. So if you want to consider like wide shot, this REC button, IEC icon over here. Okay, and then once you stop recording,
Also, always remember to unscrew this so that you can actually take it out. Press this button and push it in. And then you lock. Because if not, once, let's just say you put it like this and you decide to bring it up to this way, the camera will fall.
Cut.
I'm
messed up. I'm so sorry.
Why? What did you do?
Mine.
Take one.
Take a seat.
Action.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
Again. Camera rolling.
Scene 2, shot 18, take 3, MOS.
Scene 6, shot 3B, take 2.
Back to one. No, you did what you thought.
Sounds beat.
Scene 3, shot 1, take 2, camera A.
Action. Cut. You want to see shot? We just do that and then we move on to her. So this one's her one. She more emphasis on writing. You can remove like the. You can remove like okay, let's say. You're-
And action.
And I need to catch up.
Sophia, say hi to the camera.
And go.
Ilham,
Yeah.
say hi to the camera.
So for this good.
Okay, that is tricky, man.
Scene 1, shot 1, take 1. And action. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap! Yeah, our talented filmmakers.